Next Zippo we're gonna have in that classic box is gonna be a Founder lighter. I bought this at a local smoke shop. And I've seen this one, I believe it's from a few years back, but you know how the smoke shops usually hold on Zippos for a little bit before they sell. I don't know, I think it was displayed in this case like this, and you can see it's kind of purpley on these ridges, so I think that's just sun fading because they like to sit them out, and so probably need to put some cleaner on it. Got some weird clean marks on it, but to be 2014, so it might have been there a little bit, but of course, I don't know what his name was. Let's see. His name was not Zippo, but he founded, created, invented Zippo. So we're gonna remove this. I believe I paid $30 for this one, maybe a little bit more. Beautiful pool. Opening for the first time. Beautiful Zippo 2014. Remove that flint. Just like that. And there we go. Ready for the collection. Thanks.